Now, when the maker of the bill or the endorsee of the bill or the banker, whoever may be, when the bill gets dishonored, he will report the matter to the notary public, who makes certain arrangements to find out whether the bill is actually dishonored, really dishonored. And if it is the case, he gives a gives a notice called legal notice, saying that he has to pay the amount at date of payment, along with that date of dishonor, date of due date, and day of dishonor, with the fees to be paid by the acceptor in case of the dishonor. Okay, now what are the things, what are the journal entries we have to pass? Now let us see under 4 condition. When the bill is retained by the maker, when the bill is discounted with the banker. Number 3, when the bill is sent for collection to the banker. Number 4, when the bill is forwarded to his creditor or to the endorsee, he endorsing the bill in favor of his creditor. Under 4 condition, what are the journal entries we have to pass? Now we are going to see. And simultaneously, what will be the journal in the books of the acceptor? That means a person who dishonors the bill. Now let us see. First one, in case of dishonor of the bill, the entries in the books of the drawer or the maker of the bill. Condition 1, when he retains the bill for till the maturity date, drawee account debited with 1,100 to bills receivable account 1,000 and noting charges 100 rupees. Noting charges 100 rupees. Now what is the thing? Being the bill is dishonored and noting charges to be paid by the acceptor. So the drawee account is debited with 1,100 and bills receivable account with 1,000 and noting charges account 100. Now under condition where the bill is discounted with the banker in the earlier stage itself, such a case, drawee account debited to 1,100 to bank account, because the noting charges definitely might have been paid by the banker in case he reports a matter to the notary public. Okay, and then when under the conditions, when the bill is sent for collection, this is also the banker is having the bill till the maturity date. Then he informs acceptor to pay the bill. When he fails to pay the bill, he takes the matter for the legal action. In such a case, when the bill is for collection, sent for collection, drawee account debited to 1,100, bills for collection account 1,000, and bank account with noting charges. Bank might have paid the noting charges, that is 100. Total 1,100 is debited to drawing account. Under 4th condition, when the bill is forwarded to the creditor for endorsement, in such a case, drawee account, here our acceptor is the B. B's account, and to endorsee account, here our endorsee is C. So in favor of C, the bill has been forwarded. So in the favor of C, it is forwarded, means now drawee account debited with 1,100 to endorsee account. Endorsee here is C, being the bill is dishonored. So the person to be debited is B account, credited is C's account. In all these 4 conditions, the entry in the books of B will be like this. Bills payable account debited with 1,000, noting charges 100 to drawer account. According to him, the drawer here is the A's account. A account should be credited 1,000, 100 and 1,100 total. Being the bill is dishonored with noting charges, it should be paid. Under this, these journal entries should be passed and it will be taken for the solving the problem. Now let us see the next area is renewal of the bill. When the acceptor knows he is not going to honor the bill, what he has to do? Beforehand itself, before going to the legal action, he has to approach the maker of the bill and asking him to cancel the old bill and create a new bill with some interest charges. Here, instead of paying noting charges, going to the legal action, asking the notary public to issue notice, all these things, there are two options for the there for the acceptor. One, either he paid a partly payment out of 1,000 rupees he might have paid, he may pay 500 and may cancel the old bill. First he has to cancel the old bill, then he has to pay the half payment and pay the balance by creating a new bill with some interest. Okay, these are the two options available to the acceptor. First, he has to go to the maker, ask him to give some time instead of taking legal actions and cancelling the old bill, paying the partly payment and making a new bill. The balance of 500 rupees will be added with some interest charge for the number of months which he is going to pay. This is one condition. Another condition is there, completely he is declared as an insolvent means. How to pass the journal entries, we'll see in the next video.